In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust the volume on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded before moving on, so you can easily access the menu and find the tools you need. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can find more options and settings. From there, go to Extensions, then choose the option that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. When you are in the Chrome Web Store, make sure you are looking in the Extensions section. This is important because the store also includes other Chrome-related items, and you want to search only for browser extensions. In the search bar, type Volume. Take a moment to look through the results and choose the volume extension you want to use. When you find one that fits your needs, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to install the extension. If that appears, review the prompt and continue with the installation. After the extension is added, it will usually appear near the top right area of Chrome, close to the address bar. In many cases, this gives you quick access to volume controls while you are watching videos, listening to music, or using websites with sound. This process is useful because Chrome does not always provide detailed tab-by-tab volume control on its own. A volume extension can make audio adjustments faster and more convenient, especially if one website is much louder than another. That covers everything you need to know.